Welcome to this demo of the Red Reactor battery power supply for the Raspberry Pi and other single-board computers. The Red Reactor connects conveniently underneath your Raspberry Pi, keeping the 40-pin header free for accessories like a display, as shown here with the Raspberry Pi 4, and it is designed for easy integration with all your projects, which we'll demonstrate in this video. You might be running a server, for example, so you need to ensure that it can safely shut down in the event of a power cut. But at the same time, you might want to automatically restart everything when power comes back on. The Red Reactor will of course switch seamlessly from external power to the battery, and with its easy-to-use button interface we can construct a simple circuit to power everything back on automatically. This website is really useful to explore circuit diagrams, and I can highly recommend it. Here you can see that with just a few components we will emulate a button press when the external power is enabled. The switch on the left of this diagram simulates the external power coming back on. It draws zero power when the system is running on batteries or completely shut down. The capacitor will create a pulse whose behavior is determined by the diode and the two resistors. High values ensure it only consumes a few microamps when external power is applied. The button interface is shown on the right of this diagram, with the pull-up resistor already inside the Red Reactor. Then, the open drain transistor will press the button for you. We just need a short pulse, as the Red Reactor design ensures that power is enabled until the Pi is started up. You can connect this very easily to the Red Reactor because it provides access to the external power V-in port, even if you are using the USB port to supply power, as well as the connections to the button interface. Here you can see that circuit diagram again, showing you how to connect it to the Red Reactor. This is what's implemented on the small breadboard. With a simple script we have a Raspberry Pi 4 that is reading the battery status over the I2C interface, where it can read the battery voltage and current. If I now unplug the external power, you will see that it detects this and forces a safe shutdown. You can see that the regulator has just switched off, so we're drawing just a few microamps during standby. Now I will restore the external power, and you can see that instantly the Pi is triggered to boot up, and everything will resume as normal. As you can see, it is super easy to integrate these features into your projects when using the Red Reactor. Please take a look at my other videos on extreme testing and how to add a timed power on function. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website at www.theredreactor.com.